What if I told you that it was possible to make up to $5,000 to $10,000 per month, all from the comfort of your home without ever needing to touch a physical product and starting with $0, with something called Etsy Print on Demand? Look, Etsy Print on Demand is something that anybody can do. It doesn't matter what your skill level is or how much money you have or don't have. Because in this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can start your own Etsy Print on Demand business. Also, I will be creating my own Etsy Print on Demand business live at the end of this video, and I will walk you through the entire process. So what is Print on Demand? I can literally say that Print on Demand is one of the easiest businesses that you can start. So the main idea of Print on Demand is you go to a Print on Demand website like Redbubble, Printify, Printful, and etc. And on these websites, they provide you white label products so you can go and put your designs on them. Then you put that product on your store, and when someone buys that product, you do absolutely nothing. Yes, these print on demand companies take care of everything. They print the product and ship it directly to the customer. But Arda, how do we make money from this? Like, why do they pay us? So when you are creating these products on these websites, you set a price for your product. And all these products have a base price. For example, let's say that the base price of a t-shirt is $10. You go make your design and put it on that t-shirt, and you sell that t-shirt for $20. So when someone buys that t-shirt for $20, the company takes the $10 and you take the other $10. To get started with Etsy Print on Demand, the first thing you need to do is to decide what products you're gonna sell. So what I would recommend you is to stick with a niche. What do I mean by that? I mean, if you're selling clothes, don't go and sell shower curtains too. Like, they don't go together. Once you decide what your niche should be, now it's time to come up with ideas. And don't worry, there are a variety of places that you can go for design inspiration. You've got Design Inspiration, Pinterest, Dribbble, and many others. Like, you can say, I want ideas for socks. Well, just go to one of these websites and type socks ideas, and as you can see, there are tons of different designs. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not telling you to go and steal these designs, to copy these designs exactly. First of all, it's not legal, and secondly, it's not ethical. What I'm suggesting you to do is go and find inspiration, like get inspiration. See different designs and start thinking what you can do. There is a big difference between stealing and getting inspired. Now, what came to my mind after seeing all these designs is yellow socks with palm trees. So what I'm gonna do now is go to a website called rawpixel.com. Then type here palm trees, and I can choose one from here. But what you can do instead is go to elements, and from here to PNG graphic elements, and from the graphic elements to shapes. Then choose the free option from here, and you can go through these designs, through these shapes, and choose the one that you like, the one that you think that you can make a design of. Now, I'm gonna go with palm trees, and this one is actually pretty good. Now, you might be asking, what the hell are you gonna do with a single palm tree? Well, let me show you. Once you find your image, click the link in the description and you will come to this website, printify.com. Then you simply click here where it says start selling and sign up for free. Once you sign up, you should see this page here where you can order a sample, you can connect your Etsy store, or you can start designing your own custom product. And that's the first step. Now, there is a humongous catalog right here and you can sell any product you like. But I'm gonna go with socks right now. So click on socks and click on start designing. As you can see here, it says front left leg, front right leg. So we have a lot of flexibility, like we can edit every part of it. Next, we're gonna click on my device right from here and choose the palm tree that I just downloaded. Alright, here's my design. What I'm gonna do now is come to the panel right here and turn on the create pattern option. So what this does is it repeats the design over and over again to fill all the product, just like this one. And you can adjust the pattern as you wish. I can also change the color of the sock from here, and I want yellow. So if I click preview now, this is how it's gonna look. I think it looks decent, but basically that's how the design process looks like. It's incredibly easy to navigate and move around. And also, you don't need to be an expert designer in order to do this business. You just saw it's pretty simple. Now, let's integrate Printify with your Etsy store. So how this works is when someone buys something from your Etsy store, that order goes directly to Printify, so then Printify prints and ships that product directly to the customer, which means you literally have to do nothing except for come up with a design. And so the first thing that you'll need is an Etsy store, right? And this takes like 2 minutes to set up. Simply go to etsy.com, scroll to the very bottom of the site where it says sell on Etsy, and then open up your Etsy shop. Next, after creating your free account on Printify, you're simply just gonna go to printify.com, click up here on my store, and then click here where it says manage my stores. And then you'll see a button that says connect. You'll click that button, and then you'll see Etsy is one of the top options. And when you click on connect, it will take you directly to this page here asking if you want to grant Printify access to your Etsy shop. You'll of course agree to grant Printify access, and then it's gonna redirect you back to Printify where you'll see this success message here. Yeah, that's it. Now you can publish products directly from your Printify account and have listings created automatically to your Etsy store. Now I'm gonna go ahead and create my own Etsy shop, create my first product on Printify, connect my Printify account to my Etsy shop, and just walk you guys through the entire process that I just taught you step by step with my own Etsy print-on-demand shop. So you can see for yourself that literally anybody can do this. So here we go. I'm gonna go to Etsy and create a new account. But if you don't have a Gmail account, you can go and create a new Gmail account for this business. So I'm just gonna call it the name of my Etsy shop, which is Adarlens. So I'll just do adarlensetsy@gmail.com. And once this email is created, I'll just go back to Etsy and create a new shop. Next, I'm gonna go to Printfy and I'll do the exact same thing. Use my new email address to sign up for Printfy. So in this store, I'm gonna sell these palm tree socks that I created earlier. So I'm gonna click on my device and import the palm trees again and put the design on the product. I can do a few adjustments from here. I think it looks good. So I'm gonna save it from here and that's it. Now I'm showing you guys all this stuff so you can see that this process is actually pretty easy. You don't have to overthink it like, what should I name my Etsy shop? What the design should be? Like, what should I do? Like, just start doing the actual work. Take action and you'll see results. Now, of course, you can take your time on the design part because the design actually matters and you can take your time, you can think about it, you can come up with something creative, but still it doesn't need to take weeks, even months. Just start doing it and you will get better over time. So I've got my first product here, ready to sell on Etsy. What's next? Well, it's time to actually go and connect Printfy with my Etsy shop. So if you remember from earlier in the video, what I'll do is just go up here to my store and then click on the drop down here and select manage stores. Then you'll see a button that says connect, and so you just press that button and then choose Etsy and connect it. So now if I click up here again, you'll see that the product I just created shows up. And the only thing that I would have to do to get this product published on Etsy is just simply click on the publish. But before you do that, you want to check the prices because I think that Printfy will give you a suggested price, but I wouldn't recommend you to go with that. What I'll do is go to Etsy and check similar products to yours and see what they're selling for. So for example, I'm just gonna go to Etsy and type in socks. And as you can see, most of these socks are priced between $10 to $20. So I'll price my product accordingly and I suggest you do the same. And now as you can see, my product is officially listed on Etsy and that took us like 5 minutes to do. Ladies and gentlemen, I know that all of you have the potential and the ability to change the trajectory of your life if you want to. Will it take work? Yes. Will there be times where you doubt yourself and you wonder if you're actually doing the right thing or not? Yes, but that's all a part of the journey. If you ever want to improve your life and make more money and also improve the life of your parents, you have to be on that journey. And if you are on the journey, there will be obstacles that you have to face. And that's just a part of it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helped you. I would really appreciate it if you drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't spend more time and get to work.